Want to know the secrets of Dola AI? Yeah, there are hidden tricks and features that can make your workflow faster, your content better, and your AI experience way smarter. In this guide, I'll reveal the top secrets for getting the most out of Dola AI. Secret number one, organize your chats and projects. Pin important conversations, rename chats clearly, and use folders or categories. A well-organized workspace saves you hours of scrolling and searching. Secret two, explore all the AI bots, even the ones tucked away in menus. Some bots are specialized for advanced writing, summarizing, research, and task automation. Using these hidden bots can save tons of time. Secret 3. Write ultra-clear prompts. Include the topic, style, tone, and format. Pro tip: the more precise your prompts, the faster Dola AI delivers exactly what you need. Secret 4. Create templates for recurring content. Blogs, emails, newsletters, captions, templates save you from rewriting instructions and speed up content generation dramatically. Secret 5. Reuse prompts, schedule recurring tasks, or generate multiple outputs at once. Batching your tasks is a huge time saver and keeps your workflow consistent. Finally, always review and tweak outputs. Small edits improve clarity, style, and quality. Even secret shortcuts work best when combined with careful review. And there you have it. Organize your workspace, discover hidden bots, master prompts, create templates, batch tasks, and refine outputs. Follow these Dola AI secrets and watch your productivity and content quality skyrocket.